Hello, in this video we will continue with the previous code about the stack using the arrays. We have written push method init to initialize the stack and then peek. Now let's write another method which is pop. Okay, so this is the so pop removes the top element and changes s. Remember, pick doesn't change s, it just tells you whatever we have on the top. But as you see, when we have a and b in the stack, okay, so let me do this. So when you pop, it will return b, which is on the top. It will return it, and also it will remove it from the stack. So the size of the count of the stack reduces by 1. So now let's write it. So here, let me just write. Okay, so by the way, instead of assigning, so in the pick, instead of assigning this one to a temporary item and then return it, we can just get rid of this temp item completely, and then also get rid of this one, and whatever this is, okay, whatever this is, we can just return it. Okay, so in this case, this saves us one more line instead of having 2 lines. Now let's write another one, char. Okay, and this will be pop. Okay, the parameters is just stack. Okay, stack type, of course, a pointer, and let me name this sp also, and it will return char. So now here let's use a temporary. So here I will say char. Let me just say temp item. Okay, temp item. So now let's assign a value to this item. So it will be the top element top element, and as I explained last time, so the relationship between the index of the top element and count is the index of top element is always 1 less than the count. So I will just copy and paste this. Okay, copy and paste and semicolon. Okay, so we assign it to temp item. We must return it, but before returning it, we need to make a change in the stack, which should be the count of the stack should go 1 by 1. So here I will say sp count minus minus. Okay, now return the temp item. Return temp item. Okay, now let's test this. So in the main method, we have, so let me do this. So let's get rid of some, okay, so we push item, and then, okay, we push item, and here we want to pop a new item, and then we want to display it. Actually, let me just modify this. Instead of pick, let me say pop. Okay, and instead of pick, I will say pop. And we pass also the address location of the stack, which is a pointer to stack. Okay, this is correct. So let's see what this will display. Okay, so we push, and then we have this, and then we pop, we got this. So let me just run this. Okay, so it says we inserted, and then count is 1, and after we pop, so this is the top item, count is 0. Now let's see what happens if I after I push A, I push B. Okay, I push B. Now B goes on top of A. Okay, so A is at the bottom, B is at the top. So when you pop it, it will be popped. Okay, so let's see what this will display. So compile it and run it. Okay, as you see, now count is 1 after we put A and B. Because B is on the top, it displays B. And after we pop B, what is left in the stack? It is A. And also, now let's have this again. So I will copy and paste. So now pop it again. So now let's see what it will display. Run it. Okay, pop B, and then when we pop again, it displays A. I hope this is also clear. See you at the next video. Have a nice day.